Hello everyone. Uh, I hope all of you are doing great. And today I put a live for few minutes just to try few polls as we are starting new year. I want to ask few questions and you can answer it. So let me project that Hello first. Everyone. Uh, Let me project that so that you can also join this. Let me keep it now. I hope all of you are able to see the screen. You can scan this QR code or I will put the link in the chat in our live. You can click on the link or else you can use this QR code. Okay. I will keep the QR code in the chat also. Here I cannot keep it. Yeah. So you can scan this QR code and you can join. Okay. You can use this code 492 4924 1165. So based on the feedback, sometimes we can do these kind of a things for doing any SAP related polls also. 4924 1165. 4924 1165. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you are doing good and planning to learn new things to grow in your career. Okay. So even we can make certain things here also. We can check the poll. So, as part of your new learning, like what all things you wanted to learn and how you want to grow in your career, so you can provide your comments that what things you wanted to learn in 2026, what you are expecting. Please put in a comment. Let's use our YouTube live only, so that it will be good for all of you to understand. I think we can try that new poll in some other way. So have you selected at least one module to learn? For example, if you are a ECC SAP MM consultant, you must decide to learn S4 HANA new topics, and you know S4 HANA also pretty good. Then you can choose some new module like either SAP MM consultant, you are a ECC SAP MM, then you can focus on S4 HANA MM. Okay, there will be many new topics are there. Even I'm also making things. So if you know that one, you can focus on SAP EWM. Few people can focus on SAP Ariba. And if your project really expect some kind of requirement, you can focus on SAP stockroom management. Stockroom management. So these are the four main modules for any SAP MM consultant. Sometimes little bit different or based on the requirement, you may focus on SAP TM and SAP BTP. Some technical are there, and they're also no code related. You can focus on SAP BTP related. And SAP Business AI, this one I am also exploring how much it can be helpful for MM consultants. Okay, if there is something, definitely I will put it on that. But for now, the category wise, this is 1 2 this is 3 4. Okay, these four combinations you can learn. If you choose Ariba, you don't have to touch EWM, or sometimes you both also you can learn based on your seniority. Transportation management is not a great combination, but if your project is requiring they want to implement TM, and because of your SAP MM knowledge, if they ask you to work, that you can check it. This BTP and business AI. So business AI is slowly coming now, but BTP already has come. But we all have certain kind of assumption that BTP is more about the technical. But I see certain articles that even a functional consultant also can learn SAP BTP to do the few no coding related solutions and all. But we need some more information. Then I will talk on that more. So you can choose any of these modules, and in 2026, I hope your dreams career wise how much you want to grow, or else personally you wanted to have any kind of a dreams, like you want to buy a new house, or you want to travel any places, you want to marry, or you wanted to buy something for your parents, anything. I wish heartfully, I wish everyone your dreams will fulfill. I thought to plan this session on January 1st. Somewhat it didn't happen, and then I thought like let's have some kind of a poll by using any of things like how we can do it, right? So you need to utilize our playlist and to utilize more about your growth and how do you want it to utilize when you want to learn. Okay, all those things I always suggest you to go through the content and go through the playlist and keep learning. So you, I think I will not get any of these questions. If you are a ECC consultant, you can focus on S4 HANA, whatever 10 to 15 new topics in the market like useful, those things you start learning, and you have some idea about that one, you wanted to change your career more into the warehouse related, you can focus on EWM. And Ariba is a procurement, sourcing and procurement related things you are interested and you want to upgrade your career, you can choose Ariba. Warehouse means EWM. These are the two best options for any consultant while you wanted to grow. And stockroom management is having a limited market, because there are few companies who don't want EWM and they want to copy their existing WM in ECC in S4HANA. So those companies can go to stockroom management. In that way, you can plan your career and learn new things in 2026 without any delay. I hope these, if you decide it, okay, I decided for Ariba, let's learn Ariba. So how you wanted to learn and where you wanted to learn, there are different sources are there. You can definitely utilize those sources to learn and update your skills. But if you decide, don't hesitate to explore and to learn new things. And whether you wanted to learn from a trainer class by class, based on your time availability and everything, you can decide, or else you can go for a self learning and have a mentor. So you learn with the self learning videos, and whenever you have a questions, you can consolidate 10 questions or 8 questions like that and reach to the mentor. So the mentor will clarify your questions and it will be helpful for them. Okay, so this is the way how you have to put more efforts and learn and upgrade your career. If anyone have any questions, I will try to answer at least 4 or 5 questions today. You can put your questions so that I can check and answer. Okay, we can see here. Hi Satish, hi Arif, hi Kalyani. Happy New Year to everyone. SAP WM ECC SAP WM equal to S4 HANA stockroom management. So that definitely you can, whatever I told, that the market, limited market and all, right, that is applicable here. So the stockroom management equal to the same thing, what you can see. Yeah. How to get a job as a freshers can clearly break from down step by step. So learning from fresher to fresher, as a fresher, right? Like I mentioned that normally the jobs wise, the fresher jobs are little less, we can say. So how to get that kind of SAP fresher job? Whether you trained, certified. Okay. For example, normally trained fresher or certified fresher, we'll have it two categories. One is the trained, normally when you come from the college out. College out. So as a college out, you will have a trained fresher or certified fresher. So what is trained fresher? What the trained fresher will do? You will learn from a trainer or self learning or institute. After you learn, you start applying for the jobs. Okay, so applying for the jobs, this one you will have a less opportunities, and you need to be active in LinkedIn, connect with more recruiters, and make some learning. What you learned, you put it in a document wise, or you can put it in what topics you learned, everything. Keep practicing in IDA system and reach to the people, reach to the recruiters. Keep on posting on LinkedIn. Be active. I learned. I'm looking for an opportunity, either associate consultant or any kind of internships. Everything you can. So certified or trained, both need to apply in a way how. But certified people, uh, if you are genuinely have done the certification, like you practiced and you prepared everything, so the certification will have a little upper hand, and compared to the only trained one, certified will have a upper hand. But everything is based on the knowledge, communication, knowledge, communication, and attitude, attitude of learning. It's not about shortcut that someone will give me the interview questions, I just read it, someone will do my interview. So that attitude, no shortcuts. You prepare well and understand the topic, understand the concept, practice in SAP system, all these things you must do it. Then only you can achieve what exactly you wanted to get it. So that is the important thing: communication, attitude of learning, these things, and the network. The day one when you started learning SAP, you start connecting with recruiters, not just when you finish the course and when you're trying to reach people, and consultants and managers. These three categories you start connecting, and request for the job opportunities or any internships and all. You try, give your best preparation, and the network, all things are important to get a job. I hope you will definitely get in 4 months or 6 months, 8 months. If you are financially feeling pressure, you do some 2-3 hours of any part-time work for managing the basic expenses. So certified trainer, similar kind of a thing. For example, if you are not just college out, you are some domain experience, like you worked as a purchasing officer, domain experience. So purchasing officer, or a store clerk, or accounts payable clerk, or finance officer, any these kind of a things you have done, then you will have a upper hand. Along with these things, you need to showcase your additional thing: business knowledge, business knowledge, and managing team, managing team, and the maturity levels or attitude, whatever. As a, you worked in 3 years or 4 years, right? You need to show that maturity levels, uh, so that they can showcase and they can show you the required things. Is it possible to switch job into SAP after 9 years of experience into manufacturing? Yeah, 9 years is not huge. If you said 15 years or 16 years, I would say difficult, but 9 years is quite okay. So please learn and focus on your skills and apply. This is my experience. This is what I know, and I did this SAP course, and I'm interested into the procurement. Or else you have manufacturing, so you learn PP. Okay, you can learn SAP PP, and you can add even QM module. So you tell that I have experience in manufacturing and I learned these two modules and I'm looking for an opportunity. Please provide it. So you can try. Don't leave your current job and keep trying. I hope you will get some opportunity. Otherwise, at least it will be useful like a learning. So even if you see, right, normally I mentioned that domain employees by Ganesh Padala on YouTube. You can search that video. Yeah, suggestions to domain employees. This video has covered all these things for you, so you can go through this video. Suggestions to the employees who work in purchasing, accounting. So this video I gave the required suggestions, so please go through. I will put the comment here also. I put it. This is the video where you can go through. EWM is mainly I see in on-premise and private cloud. In the public cloud wise, we need to say, because EWM has a combination of certain things. We need to check that one. Yeah, I never had any someone is working in EWM in public cloud, but we need to explore about that area. But on-premise and private cloud, I know that few of my colleagues and friends are working. So if you're preparing for SAP MM and you don't have the enough real-time experience, you don't know the sample support tickets and all, if you come to our blog, there is an option you can see here, the SAP MM course content. So there you can click and register the if you need that SAP MM related content. So here you will find the different data like course related videos and real time related videos. Okay, you can find the some integration related topics and real time how does the sample function specification, all these things look like, everything you can get it. Definitely it will be helpful for you. Okay. So this domain employees like suggestions for to the employees who are working in purchasing and all, that also will part of your learning. I'm sure that you can get benefit out of these things. Use the playlists in our channel. Okay, there are a lot of playlists are there. Whether you wanted to learn for the course related videos like MM or WM related, or you want to learn the real time, playlists are there, or you have the career related suggestions, career suggestions also there. These are three categories, and another one we have something related to my charity activities. You can check it, which may inspire or when you have enough kind of resources. But first you need to build the intention. So if you build the intention, automatically the size of help what you are going to do, it will increase based on the financial stability. So career sessions, you will have that LinkedIn network, how to make it LinkedIn related things, and resume preparation. Okay, you can make it the resume preparation, how to make the resume and cover letter. Okay, cover letter, all those things. Real time you will have implementation related videos, support related videos. So courses means you will find MM, WM mainly, and slowly you will see the EWM soon with all of your blessings. Currently I'm working on EWM project and learning and analyzing and understanding things. I hope we can see few videos on EWM in coming days. This live is mainly for putting some 2-3 polls and understanding your concerns or any questions or career related, and mainly I wanted to tell all of you the great new year 2026. So we had a great 2025 and we hope 2026 will be great to all of you. And if you are following on Udemy, please provide your ratings. And if you are working in any company, please ask for Udemy business login so that you can access all of our courses for free. So if you want any kind of a questions, please put it in the comments in the next time next time live, so that I can answer and it will be helpful, because this video will be available in public so that anyone can join and they can watch that video and it will be helpful to all the members. If you are preparing but you don't have someone, any of your friends or relatives, nobody in MM, so that you want to talk to them or you want to have 1 or 2 sessions one to one to ask all of your queries, everything, please send email to us so that I will refer any of my old students who can help you in that area. Public cloud, you have 3 years of public cloud. Yeah, public cloud is brand new. I hope you should have it. Please ping me on LinkedIn, or else you can send an email, Amol Dodate. So you can send an email to me that this is my LinkedIn profile, this is my experience, so that I can post on LinkedIn. Because 3 years of public cloud is a good experience. Definitely, you may find some opening. Yeah. Whoever need that SAP MM content, yes, you can reply that you want the content, so that you will get a reply with the details. So I hope all of you know about the email. So the email we mention in multiple locations and all. So this is the only email. Always you communicate. Ganesh dot sap 2015 at gmail.com. You can send email if you need content or a mentor, anything. And once again, happy new year. And Amol, you can send an email with your details and LinkedIn profile, so that I will post for you. Let's let's see what kind of response and things will come. So as you are in notice period, I hope you will get, because your notice period is less, so immediately available, so people can prefer to consider people like you who are available. Okay, that's it. And thanks for joining, and thanks for your time. Please provide your ratings on Udemy. And if you go to our LinkedIn, I shared some kind of Udemy free courses on our LinkedIn. You can go and check it. So you will find 5 courses. So all those courses you can go through and understand and improve your skills. You can also have our let me post our WhatsApp channel. You can join that WhatsApp channel, because there is, our team will always submit you that daily updates. Okay, you can join this WhatsApp channel. Find the link, I put it. Hi Nagaraju, happy new year, thank you. And thanks Amol, thanks everyone. Let's meet up sometimes for a quick interaction sessions, and to understand the questions. I hope few questions will be the answers will be helpful, not just for you and many of the people who will watch this live in later few weeks or few months. Thanks again. Let's close this live, and happy new year. Good health, good career, and help someone based on your requirement, and based on your availability, and based on your wish. You want to donate in a temple, you want to donate in your street, you can give one dustbin, you can put it in your street. That also can make difference. Let's make difference with our possible resources. I hope the universe will take care of us. Thank you.